to you. All right? The first one is the light that shines over all land and sea.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, a weary world rejoicing, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees and hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. No night divine, oh, night divine.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Holy, holy, holy,
Fall on your knees and hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine,
I don't know, is it?
oh,
Look at me,
night
Becky. Memory lives on. Zoe, get up off the chair. Smile and eyes closed. That was Put your shoes on. So I've been saying goodbye to my grandma.
on the cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Oh, there